Hey guys, welcome back to Sandra Tyra's channel, which is my mom's, mine, everybody's family, the whole family's channel. So we're gonna be doing the blindfolds challenge, and of course we have glue. So of course we have glue, Tide, and obviously glitter. And you guys already know which colors because I did it last video. No, we're only doing two types of glitters. We're doing a purple one, a rainbow purple, and a pink one.
So I'll get this one.
No, we're just gonna mix the glitters up and see which one we get.
Yeah, but I want some of these too.
Okay.
Can you just trade it like purple?
No, it's fine. Just get it. We'll need one more then.
I can't get it.
This one?
How do you get it?
There. Okay.
That's all we're gonna use.
We're gonna have these two. Okay.
I call this one.
No,
you can take purple.
We're gonna mix them, and we're gonna be blindfolded. Yeah, it's like the slime blindfold challenge. So we have these colors, two purples and a pink and a blue. So we're gonna put our blindfolds on. Hopefully, I get the glue in the bowl. Cause like, what if I don't get the glue? What if I don't get the bowl? The glue in the bowl. I'm sorry, guys, if I messed up on the words. So we have a spoon. A bowl, obviously, I already told you guys that. So, let's get started. Where's my so I'm going to be using this as a blindfold, and he's going to be using this as a blindfold.
Look, guys.
Can you see through?
No, I can't.
Okay, so let's get started, guys. I can't see nothing. Nothing is literally pinch black. Hopefully my brother's not cheating. Can you guys even see? Hold on. Can you guys see him? Let me show him. Okay, now let's put our blindfolds back on. I feel like my brother's gonna cheat because I know
this for like
the way he is. Okay, where's the glow? Where's the? Oh, okay. I feel it's already open. What?
I opened it.
Is there anything right here? No.
Wait, Giselle.
This is
it okay like if we pour Tide and then glue?
No.
Alright. Tell me when you're done with the glue.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm like so confused. Like, where's my bowl at? Okay. Okay, this is the handle. Okay. Okay. Oh! Okay. Somebody move my bowl. Okay.
I thought that was my bowl. I think it was yours.
Okay. None went. What? Did any go in this time? Yeah. Okay. Where's the cap?
So wait. Oh, this is heavy. Of course it's glue.
Oh, I can feel it. It's kind of on the table. No. Wait, it's kind of already mixing in. That's weird. I can feel it. Okay.
Let me get the Tide real quick.
Okay, where's the
I got the Tide.
I'm just gonna mix it in on this.
Okay.
It's kind of mixing in, so. Where's the glitters at?
It's on your side, stop. You're touching me.
Sorry. How do you know they're on my side? Oh, I feel one. This is the color I got, if you guys can see. I can't open it. What the hell?
I feel like I poured too much Tide.
Let me get a different one because I can't feel it.
Get glitter.
Are you cheating?
Ow! Oh, you put glue in my mouth.
Sorry.
Ow.
Can they see you?
I can't see anything.
Let me check. Okay. Oh, yeah, they can see you. Okay. OMG!
What?
I spilled so many glue. Hold on, guys. Let me pause. This is... Hold on. I'm going to put all this glue in my bowl. Like, this is going to be hard to clean up.
Did my mom let you do this?
Yeah.
What about last time? Did Lexi do this?
Yeah. Hold on. Let me see you move your hand. I'm going to mix it all in. It's kind of
too much Tide?
No. That's perfect.
I'm
Okay.
gonna wash my hand real quick.
Let me, this camera. Okay, there it is. So look at the glue I freaking spilled. It's so many. Let me move the bowl. So it's so many. Oh my god, I made a big mess. Okay, let me get the bowl. Look how much I spilled. We're not trying to cheat. I'm gonna scoop all the glue into the bowl because like
Well, I'm gonna just start doing mine, okay?
a big mess. Okay, put your blindfold on.
So, how do you open this?
Just I don't know. twist
Wait,
it.
I'm gonna take out my blindfold to check how to open it, okay?
Okay.
So, is this one OG?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna open it on the screen.
Isn't blue like not your favorite color?
It is. How do you know it's open or not?
No, just go like this. Look at.
Oh, this thing's not even open. That's why. Look. What do you do with this? Look.
Dripping. Just go like this.
I can't, huh?
No. Okay, so
I can't.
obviously, I don't know. Somehow I did not add some Tide, and my slime already kind of turned into slime. But I didn't mix it or nothing. I just literally add glue, and I can feel some slime in it. So let me mix it in. This is
Yeah, which
weird.
ones are open?
So weird. You guys can't see me. Hold on. Let me fix the camera. I'm gonna dirty the camera.
Because we have to open these. What are you doing?
Hold on. Let me fix the camera. Can you guys see me now? Yeah. Okay. So it's eventually slime already, so I'm basically finished. I can take off my blindfold. And this is how it came out. I didn't even...
You had your blindfold off.
I didn't even end up having glitter, dude. This is just weird. I don't know. Okay, let me clean up because I made a big mess.
How do you open this now?
Okay, put your blindfold back on.
Me? How do you... I can't open this.
Where's that baggie at? So we don't make... So that way I can... So I got a bag so I can put the slime on it while it's getting kneaded. So this bag, it's called like a machine one. It needs it for it. Okay. So let me just go. And boom. Kneaded already. I mean, that's what I made up. Okay, so let me record my brother. Okay guys, let me just go wash my hands so that way I can record my brother with his blindfold on. Okay guys, so I'm back. And I cleaned my hands. Okay, who cares? So we're gonna watch
I'm gonna put on my blindfold on.
my brother put his blindfold on.
This one it?
That's glitter.
Oh, this is the one, okay.
Look how my slime came out.
Okay, I'm done, guys. I'm done.
So, how are you done?
Oh, I feel the glitter. I'm done. Alright, I'm done, guys.
He put so many glitter. That is so much. But don't worry, guys. I still have a lot of glitter left. Well, half tank. Huh.
Let me see.
That's gonna look like a 4th of July, basically. Except he needed red. I think he could have just used a rose gold because I don't have red. So hopefully this is tight. Where's the other glitters? There's 2 more missing.
I wish we had like food coloring.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do next. Where's the cap for this one? Gordo, where'd you put the cap?
I think it's in the open.
Okay, guys, I'll be right back. No, you also had to put your blindfold on when you're mixing it.
No, because it doesn't really matter.
Yes, because you don't know when it's ready or not, so put it on. It's not in here, Gordo. Where did you put it at?
Oh, it's in the kitchen. Sink next to the sink, I think.
You think? Oh, okay, found it.
I don't even know if it's ready or not anyway. I don't even know how to make slime.
Okay, fine. So we got all the glitters. Yours looks so...
Mine didn't work.
Yeah, I did. Watch. He thinks it didn't work, guys. It did work. You guys know already. Cause if you guys know how to make slime, you know it worked. Okay, now
I think thanks. I put some glitter for you.
all you gotta do is knead it. Just keep going like that. You made 2 different kind, I guess.
No, you put these powder slime in here.
Okay, so this is how my slime came out. It's like the lightning is bad, guys. I'm real sorry. So it's like a with a little bit blue glitter. His is like, look at the. Okay, sorry, just put the zip out back.
No, it's not working.
Yes, it is. So his is a blast of glitter. So like,
Yeah,
let me knead it for him.
glitter.
Let me knead it for him because he thinks it's not working. Watch it work. Bust down, Tatiana, bust down, Tatiana.
Dude, it's like
I
perfect
want
glitter
to
for you.
bust
Look.
down. Pick it up.
Huh.
Break that down. Speed it up. Slow that down. Hold it, gang. If you guys heard that song, it's actually on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. It's Sandra Tyrez. If you guys have TikTok, which I'm pretty sure you do. I mean, who doesn't? My lipstick is a fire. My makeup about to drop. Put that money in my bag and make the whole rope stop. So this is like dry for some reason. I don't know why.
So it's not working.
Money is it if I just keep kneading it like what I
Wow,
would
it's nothing.
do. Mine,
So why'd you put your slime in the bowl?
I still kind of need.
It's not even stretchy anymore.
I still kind of need to knead mine. So guys, thank you.
Look at this horrible slime.
For watching. Okay, actually, we're gonna do another video coming up. I know, like it's weird. I'm telling
Nicholas
you
knows how to
guys.
make slime, huh?
Yes. Look at my hands. Okay, guys, we're gonna make another video where we're doing Valentine cards. We're gonna make them. So yeah, peace. Oh wait.
You could probably do like
I
drawing
almost
stuff,
forgot. Make sure you like and subscribe and turn on the notification.
too. Hit the link.
Ew, I got some
and the
glitter.
bell.
When I literally went like this, it's squirting.
Please
in my-
comment if you like this, or we should make more slime videos.
Yeah, well, he's still needing it, so. Later on, it's gonna be like, trust me, that happens to every slime. You gotta need it. He thinks that's not natural. Okay, anyways, make sure you like and subscribe. Again, I'm saying it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified.
Would you like this up to like? What should we like this up? What do you think we should? How many likes they should like it up to?
3.
Alright, 3.
At least give us 3. No, at least give us 10 likes, guys. At least 10.
Please.
Please.
Go next up.
Okay, so turn on the notification bell. Let me finish my sentence because he interrupted me. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time we update a new video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.